Algebra also works really nicely in Negroni riffs or Negroni variations. And again, it's about thinking of Algebra and using it either in replacement or in conjunction with an aromatized wine or a vermouth. So here we take the Negroni template, equal parts, Italian bitter, Campari, sweet vermouth, and gin, and we swap the sweet vermouth for Algebra. So the first one is called the Espresso Negroni, and we just use 30 ml of Campari, 30 ml of gin, we use a really good gin here, and 30 ml of Algebra. Stir it down, pour it over a nice block of ice. And garnish with a half orange peel. Another riff on the Negroni is actually going to be a riff on the riff. So it's a riff on the Boulevardier. So Boulevardier is a Negroni made with bourbon instead of gin. And here again we use a bourbon. So we use 40 ml bourbon, 30 ml of Algebra, and then 20 milliliters of Campari. Stir it down over ice, strain it into beautiful rocks glass over a large ice cube, and garnish it with an expressed orange twist. And it's simple and beautiful. The really interesting thing is that if you use a really good bourbon, especially a slightly sweeter or rounder type of bourbon, not necessarily a rye forward bourbon, then you're going to have those beautiful vanilla and caramel notes, which with the coffee liqueur make a really interesting drink. It's not too sweet. It's definitely interesting, but it has some great depth and some great roundness to it.